Did you know that Wales has some of the quirkiest laws you might ever hear? You won't believe the bizarre restrictions people in Wales have to deal with. It's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Stick around, because today we're uncovering 15 weird things you absolutely can't do in Wales. Well, prepare to be intrigued as we delve into a world where tradition meets eccentricity. Wales, a land of rugged coastlines, mountainous national parks, and not forgetting some of the most unusual laws you could ever imagine. Wales, a constituent country of the United Kingdom, has a rich and complex history dating back thousands of years. Over the centuries, this nation has developed a unique legal landscape that mirrors its distinctive heritage. From ancient Celtic laws to modern-day statutes, Welsh law is a fascinating blend of the old and the new. But let's not get too bogged down in history. We're here for the fun stuff. The strange, the quirky, the outright bizarre, and trust me, Wales doesn't disappoint. Let's start by setting the scene. Picture a country where you could potentially be penalized for not owning a longbow, or where a simple game of football could land you in a legal minefield. A place where even the most mundane activities like hanging out your laundry or fishing can be subject to some truly unusual regulations. But it doesn't stop there. Oh no, in Wales, laws can extend to the supernatural. We're talking spectral dogs, mythical creatures, and even the occasional ghost. Because why stick to the mundane when you can legislate the paranormal, right? And of course, let's not forget about the language. Welsh, one of the oldest languages in Europe, is not just a part of the country's cultural fabric, it's a legal matter too. From road signs to public services, the Welsh language holds a unique and protected status that is enshrined in law. Now that you know a little about Wales, brace yourself for some of the most unusual prohibitions and strange things from this unique corner of the world. Stay tuned as we delve into the ancient prohibitions, unravel the mystery of the red kite, roll our way through the cheese ban, and decode the intriguing Welsh Language Act. The journey into the legal labyrinth of Wales starts here. Imagine not being allowed to do something as ordinary as boiling water. In the heart of Wales, there was a time when such a mundane act was prohibited. Yes, you heard it right. The act of boiling water was forbidden, but only on Sundays. Now, why would anyone impose such a strange law? The answer lies in the ancient Welsh tradition that Sunday was a day of rest, a day to abstain from labor. This rule extended to even the simplest of chores, including heating water. This law was more than just a cultural quirk. It was a testament to the deep-rooted respect for religious traditions in Wales. It was a symbol of the Welsh people's devotion to keeping the sanctity of the Sabbath day. Even today, remnants of this tradition can be spotted in the quieter Sundays that Wales enjoys. So next time you're in Wales on a Sunday, you might want to think twice before boiling that kettle. In Wales, it's not just humans who have to abide by the law. Cast your gaze skyward and you may spot the red kite, a bird species that's considered a national symbol of Wales. Its distinctive red plumage and elegant flight are sights to behold. But did you know this bird enjoys a unique legal protection in Wales? Rewind to the late 20th century, the red kite was teetering on the brink of extinction. The Welsh government, recognizing the importance of this symbol, enacted stringent laws to protect the species. It was a crime, punishable by law, to harm or disturb these magnificent birds. The result? An inspiring comeback story. The red kite population soared, transforming from endangered species to a common sight in the Welsh skies. This law, seemingly odd to outsiders, underscores the Welsh commitment to preserving their natural heritage. So next time you find yourself in Wales, look up and admire the red kite, a bird that embodies the spirit of Wales. Remember, in Wales, even the birds have their own set of rules. Ever thought cheese could be illegal? Well, in Wales, a peculiar tradition involving this dairy delight has indeed been outlawed. We're talking about cheese rolling. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a 9-pound wheel of double Gloucester cheese being rolled down a steep hill with a crowd of brave or perhaps foolhardy individuals racing after it. The first person to cross the finish line wins the cheese. Simple, right? This tradition dates back to the early 19th century and is believed to have evolved from a pagan ritual. However, in recent years, safety concerns have prompted authorities to ban these events. In fact, the official cheese rolling event at Cooper's Hill in Gloucestershire was last held in 2009. Ever since, cheese enthusiasts have had to satisfy themselves with unofficial and often secretive races. So in Wales, rolling cheese down a hill isn't just a strange pastime, it's a forbidden one. Language is a powerful thing, especially in Wales. Nestled within the United Kingdom, this nation is home to a language that's as rich as its history, a tongue that predates even the Romans. This is Welsh, a language that has stood the test of time and weathered the storms of history. But did you know that this ancient language is protected by law? That's right, the Welsh Language Act is more than just a piece of legislation. It's a cultural safeguard. The Welsh Language Act was enacted in 1993, a testament to the Welsh people's commitment to preserving their linguistic heritage. This law makes Welsh an official language of Wales, putting it on equal footing with English. It's quite a remarkable feat considering that Welsh was once a language on the brink of extinction. But what does this mean for everyday life in Wales? Well, it means you'll find road signs in both English and Welsh. It means that public bodies and some private companies are required to provide services in both languages. It means that Welsh speakers have the right to use their language in court. And it means that Welsh is taught in schools, ensuring that future generations carry on this linguistic legacy. The impact of the Welsh Language Act goes beyond the practical. It's about more than just signs and services. It's about identity. It's about a people reclaiming a part of themselves that was almost lost. It's about a nation saying, this is who we are, and this is a part of us that we refuse to let go. In Wales, the language isn't just words and phrases. It's a melody that has been sung for centuries, a story that has been passed down from generation to generation. It's a language that carries the weight of history and the spirit of a people. And thanks to the Welsh Language Act, this language, this vital part of Welsh culture and identity, is protected and cherished. In Wales, the language you speak isn't just a means of communication. It's a protected part of the nation's heritage. There you have it, some of the most unusual prohibitions and strange things in Wales. We've dived into the peculiarities of the Welsh laws, starting with the ancient prohibition of boiling water in copper kettles. A law that might seem ludicrous today, but it was an important safeguard for the health of the Welsh people back in the day. Then, we ventured into the mystery of the red kite, a bird once on the brink of extinction, now a protected species. The law against harming these majestic creatures has been so successful that they've become a symbol of Welsh wildlife resurgence. We rolled into the strange ban on cheese rolling, a tradition that, while seemingly innocent and fun, was deemed too dangerous to continue. It's not every day you encounter a place where hurling dairy products down a hill is against the law. And of course, how could we forget the Welsh Language Act? This is a law that not only protects the Welsh language but celebrates it. It ensures that Welsh remains a living language used in everyday life, from schools to workplaces, from the bustling city of Cardiff to the tranquil countryside of Snowdonia. These peculiarities, these quirks, are what make Wales such a fascinating place. Each law tells a story, each tradition is a glimpse into the past, and each prohibition is a testament to the unique culture and heritage of this beautiful country. But remember, these are not just amusing anecdotes for your next dinner party. These laws are to be respected. They're a part of the Welsh identity, and to break them is to disrespect the land and its people. So next time you find yourself in Wales, remember these strange laws and prohibitions, and you'll have a truly unique Welsh experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we explore more unusual laws from around the world. See you next time.